Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Okta Verify for push approvals, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable Okta Verify for push approvals, start by logging into your Okta account. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Find the Security tab in the main menu. Click on Multi-Factor under the Security options. Locate the section for Okta Verify and select it. You will see an option to set up or add a new device. Click on Set Up. A QR code will appear on your screen. Now, open the Okta Verify app on your mobile device. If you haven't already downloaded the app, do so from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. In the app, tap on the plus icon to add a new account. Use your phone to scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen. Once scanned, your Okta account will be added to the app. Next, you may need to confirm the setup by entering a code sent to your device. After confirming, Okta Verify will be enabled for push approvals. You can now send and receive push notifications for login attempts. To ensure everything is working, try logging out and logging back in. When prompted for multi-factor authentication, check your Okta Verify app for a push notification. Tap on Approve or Deny depending on whether the login attempt is yours. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled Okta Verify for push approvals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connect. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.